Good day, everyone, especially to you, Ma'am Velma Paelmao. My name is Cecil L. Gomez, 21 years of age. I was born on February 25, 2003. I live in Montessori, Carmen, Bohol, and I am the youngest among the seven siblings of the family. Some of my hobbies are dancing, playing guitar, for me, drawing, playing badminton, and playing volleyball. I live in a simple life and I am willing and eager to learn new things. The time did fly so fast, and I am now in the third steps of my journey as a college student in Bohol Island State University, Bilar campus, taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino.
Pinili ko ang BISO dahil bukod sa free tuition ito, ay marami ding mga mag-aaral na nakapasa sa board exam dahil sa maganda ang kalidad ng pagtuturo ng ating mga guro dito. And
I am lucky enough to be one of the students in this trustworthy campus. The question is why I choose education. Well, I choose education because it is the key to a better life. I believe the saying that education is the most powerful weapon that we can use to change the world because it helps people learn new things, think for themselves, and achieve their goals. It opens doors to many opportunities like good jobs and a better understanding of the world. With education, people can break free from poverty and improve their communities. When I was young, I saw how education helped my family and friends. It made a big difference in their lives, giving them better jobs and a brighter future. I wanted to be part of that change and help others find the same success. Education is not just about reading books and passing exams. It teaches us important values like respect, honesty, and kindness. It helps us become a better people and make good choice. By learning about different cultures and ideas, we can build a more understanding and peaceful world. In short, education is not just about getting a diploma or a degree. It's about growing as a person, contributing to a society, and making the world a better place. That's why I choose education. It has the power to transform lives and shape a better future for all of us. So why I choose Filipino major? So I choose Filipino major even though I am already a Filipino citizen because I believe in a deep value and riches of our language and culture. Our language is more than just a means of communication. It is a reflection of our identity, history, and heritage. By majoring in Filipino, I can gain a deeper understanding of our literature and traditions. This knowledge allows me to appreciate the beauty and complexity of our language and its role in shaping our society. It also helps me preserve and promote a cultural heritage, ensuring that future generations can connect with their roots. In conclusion, I choose major in Filipino to deepen my understanding of our culture, contribute to the preservation and promotion of our language, and become an advocate for our rich heritage. Thank you and God bless.